Hey, hello, how are you? And welcome to Road Odyssey. Hey, hello, how are you? Hope y'all are doing great. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. So, this video is about the Ford F-150 Lightning. So, today's the 19th, and tonight, Ford is going to have their big reveal. So towards the end of this video, I will be putting in some of that data and information. But for right now, I'm going to start the video with some of the items from the past, like the £1 million pool stunt from 2019. And like yesterday, President Biden was a part of a pre-reveal from Ford. So let's begin with the past and move this video into the future. Here we go. I'm beginning here with the pre-reveal that occurred on May 18th. The actual reveal is to be broadcasted May 19th in the evening, and that information is coming up in just a little bit here. So Muscle Car and Trucks published an article May 18th about Biden's visit to Ford, at which the new Ford F-150 was kind of revealed. In case you don't get it, this is an all-electric truck. The starting price is, at this moment, said to be about 70 grand. Only an exterior picture was acquired from a distance, but you can get a vague idea of its appearance, and it is rather boxy. So, Muscle Cars and Trucks said of its appearance, a closed-off textured front grille, a boxy enveloping light signature, and a sectioned-off front bumper that shares the same cut lines as the standard F-150, which was parked next to it. D-rings for towing and extraction are also present and accounted for. Now, they go on in this article to say that it does 0 to 60 in about 4.4 seconds or so. And here's a clip of President Biden doing a launch from 0 to 80. Personally, I couldn't tell a thing from this clip. I'm not overly impressed at this moment. In July of 2019, Ford did this train pulling stunt with the all-electric prototype of the F-150. This was a stunt. Both Road and Track and the YouTube channel Engineering Explained checked out this stunt, and it is really nothing more than just a magic trick for building up hype on this truck. So the smooth railway has a very low frictional coefficient, and for any car to pull something is much easier. So in reality, a simple crossover could probably have done the same thing. As the Ford introduction said, it's time to start thinking about the future. the lightning features. The inside and the technology is very different. Low center of gravity, perfect weight balance. On the outside, it looks very much like an F-150. Very good looking truck. Again, this truck has performance. 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. Being all electric, 0 emissions. It has a 400-liter volume front trunk, 400-pound payload, 9.6 kilowatts of power, 21 charge points, 11 outlets. Charging life is 300 miles, maybe more. In case of a power outage, you have about 3 days of power at your fingertips with this truck. Where can you charge this truck? They are expecting to have over 63,000 charging stations in the near future. Where are these 63,000 plus charging stations coming from? Well, our government is planning on 500,000 new charging stations across the U.S. to support all newly transitioned EV buyers, along with investments in the electrical grid to help handle the load of the EVs. Our government is also planning to spend $35 billion to support research and development for energy and climate-related topics. As is the current trend, it has over-the-air updates. It is always a 4x4, giving you fantastic traction in all kinds of weather and terrain. It has 4 drive modes: normal, sport, off-road, and tow haul. And whether you have help or not, it comes with the Pro Trailer and Hitch Assist for making trailer use simple. A fantastic feature is the onboard scale. Using scale, battery charge life, and route, it can calculate if you're going to make your full journey. Well, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Y'all are great. So EVs are coming quicker and quicker now, and we just got to live with it, I guess. So anyway, I'm not a big fan of it yet. It's going to take a while for this stuff to grow on me. So, you know, whatever. It is what it is. So relax, take it easy, and I will see y'all later. Bye.